this is Michelle with Pink and Maine, and today I am so super excited to share with you our brand new Ergonomic blender brush. Great things come in small packages, and our brush comes in this adorable little pink box. I'll set that aside. So I've got one open here. So it's got its own little storage case with our logo on it. You spin it around, we take the brush out, and here it is. We've been using this one a lot here at the store, so it's well used. But as you can see, it's got this nice sturdy handle, which is directly on top of the brush, so it's more ergonomic to use for your hand. I have weak hands, and some of the other popular brushes I bought, and the brush part blends beautifully, as you know, but I have a trouble controlling it because the handle just not meant for ink blending per se. They're makeup brushes, so they're meant to, you know, apply makeup to your face, and you don't need to press down really hard to do that. But I find that a lot of people were holding those brushes over the top of the brush part, and I thought, well, why not have the same super soft brushes? So this is the same, you know, type of really smooth, soft synthetic brush that's on the other popular ink blending brushes with the long handles, but it's got this nice little handle directly on top where you need it to hold on to and blend really easily. So I'm really super excited about this. So here I've just got a scratch piece of paper down, and I've got a piece of cardstock here that we're going to blend the ink on. This is one of our new stencils this month, and we'll be coming out with lots of new stencils, perfect for ink blending. And this one is called Garden Gates, kind of a geometric pattern. And I'm just going to tape this down to my surface. If you have purple tape, that's perfect for this. I just had some good old washi tape laying around that I grabbed. There we go. You may ask what type of ink you can blend with this brush. And I've been playing around with quite a few types of ink, and they all blend beautifully with the brush. And I even go from ink type to ink type and color to color and have no problem whatsoever. I know some people say, oh, you should use one type of ink, but I find that I can, you know, generally just use whatever ink I have laying around and blend it out just fine. So you want to rub and dab the brush into your ink pad, and then in a circular motion, we're just gonna apply that ink over our stencil. And it's just so much easier being able to control the brush right over the top of the brush, just like so. So if I want to change the color after I've done this pink, and this ink is the Versaclear, it's a pigment ink, and I've gone directly from that to your typical, you know, premium dye inks. I've used our Pink and Maine surface inks to blend with this, and what I do is I take our cleaning cloth, our Scrub It Clean cloth, and I'm just going to wipe all that excess ink off the brush until on my scratch paper it rubs perfectly clean, so it won't transfer any ink onto your next color. So I can then go into, say, a lighter color like this yellow, and I can blend just like that into the pink, and you get really nice soft blending effects. It works beautifully on our 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. As you know, when you're ink blending, you want to use a nice, smooth, high quality cardstock just so that you get a really smooth blend. Now I just want to show you some of the samples that I've made with the brush. Here I've used our Garden Gate stencil with 3 different tones of ink, and here as well. This is a new stencil for us this month also, called Daisies. As you can see, you can do different colors. And I actually did all of these samples in one sitting without cleaning the brush, other than just scrubbing it on our Scrub It Clean microfiber cloth. I just scrub it on the cloth when I'm done with a certain color, go into the next color, and it's good to go. Here's one last sample. This is a new stencil as well. It's called Petals, and it just kind of looks like a flower burst of flower petals. So nice. And when you're done with the brush and you've scrubbed the ink off with the microfiber cloth, you can put it back into its storage case. And it'll just sit in there like this on your desk if you're gonna travel with it, and it's great for traveling because it will click right into that case and not fall out. So it clicks in and clicks out. So I'm so excited to share with you our new awesome ergonomic blending brush. I hope you love it as much as we do. Give it a try. You can find it at pinkandmain.com, and I'm sure this is a game changer for your ink blending, especially if you have any trouble with your hand or your wrist like I do. This just makes it so much easier to have this handle right on top of the brush where you have full control. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and check back with us next time. And until then, keep living the creative life.